This is a song called Leslie. Oh, Leslie, that October caught us by surprise. Well, I held my husband's hand, and we cried as we read in the news. You were walking a pink stairway somewhere up to glory. Well, I find it hard to imagine anything more glorious than you. Oh, Leslie, I always believed I might get the chance to wait in a line and say a few words to your face. 'Cause I saw my story on every screen and stage that you stood on. A Tennessee queen just dripping in gospel and grace. It's coming up fancy can crush you, and it seems like you found the antidote. And watching you brush off antipathy healed me, so it was a punch to my gut when you wrote that sometimes I think I was born ashamed. Well, I think I know what you mean. Oh, Leslie, I'd never watched such a heartbreaking scene. Well, you worked the room like a star while Tammy sang, "I'll need time." It enthralled me just as much as it set me on edge. To think there was something to me portrayed in that sweet sordid life. 'Cause I wasn't ready to trust in these impulses. You knew they were your superpower, and I'm not the only one writing the tales of your dressing gown. I hope you knew you were our one bright spot in a wide world of danger, and you deserve more than a waltz from a stranger. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, Leslie, I could listen all day to your stories and tap my heels to the hymns you were singing right up to the end. And I know your freedom didn't come easy. You fought like the devil, but you You earned your peace by becoming the whole world's friend. Oh, God shone through you so bright. Thanks for all of the love and light.